What would happen if the United States fought against the entire world? Sensing the looming danger, the U.S. would quickly deploy its military to strengthen national defenses. The borders with Canada and Mexico would become more tense than ever. At this moment, Russia would decide to begin the war by striking Alaska. Because the region is too far from the American mainland, the U.S. would be unable to defend it, forcing Alaska to fall into Russian hands. Next, European nations, along with several Asian powers, would move across the Atlantic to reach the American coastline. However, the U.S. Navy, one of the strongest in the world, would intercept and crush the invading forces before they could land. Meanwhile, on the West Coast, China would attempt to approach America's shores, further tightening the encirclement. At this point, the U.S. would seem isolated from all sides. To retaliate and demonstrate its unmatched power, the United States would launch 2 nuclear strikes, one on Canada and one on Mexico. The devastation would force both nations to immediately withdraw from the conflict. The rest of the world would then begin to realize the true scale of America's military might.